Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live in Hong Kong from SmartCon 2024 by Chainlink. Joining me for this segment, we have Jisu Park. He is the CEO of SOOHO. We're here to discuss building blockchain finance and digital asset services. Jisu, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Likewise, good to see you.
You got it. And tell us about SOOHO, what you're doing in the digital asset space.
So SOOHO was founded in 2018 and based in Seoul, Korea mostly. We are providing comprehensive digital asset platform for institutions and government and enterprise. So we providing the cross-chain interoperability and the chain abstraction technology and also the security and compliance solutions for them.
What have been some of the notable milestones for SOOHO over the course of the last year?
We do a lot of interesting project within government and so institutions. But one of the notable things we've done this year is the participating on CBDC project in Korea, Bank of Korea's. So that was one of the notable milestone we achieved this year. And also the partnership with Chainlink is also really promising and interesting milestones.
So who are you working with? You mentioned you're working with the government, and why are they choosing to work with SOOHO?
Yeah, let me explain with the example. Like I mentioned, Chainlink, we have a partnership with them. So for achieving interoperability between the institutions and platforms, CCIP is really state-of-the-art technology. So we are working as a facilitator of the Chainlink CCIP. So helping our customers and clients to easily applying the kind of existing state-of-the-art technology. So which means we are thinking about customer-centric approaches. So we help them easier way to applying the technology. We taking care about their business KPI and as a technical provider.
Yeah, well, it's interesting because you can tell the space is maturing when the conversation's focused around user experience. What's next for SOOHO?
We have good references and experience, especially in Korea, and now we are preparing for expanding our experience and sharing our expertise to overseas partners like near APAC region. So next year we're going to participating more than just one Seoul project, but rather more global project. We're preparing for that, and also next year we're going to launch B2C service as well. So users can experience more retail services than just B2B services from ours.
Jisu, if I might ask you one more question, what is the blockchain environment like in Korea?
Blockchain environment in Korea is quite different from other regions, I think. Mostly they are using the Hyperledger Besu a lot, or sometimes they use more niche blockchain, which is supported by local Korean startup and also the blockchain company. But more and more institutions trying to adopting more global blockchain as well.
As interoperability is
interoperability as well.
All right, Jisu, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me from SmartCon. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.